Milkshake. I'm your host, Kalkin Panjal, and you're watching Class It. The ingredients you are going to need are strawberries, bananas, sugar, and milk. You're going to need 3 large strawberries, halved, 1 ripe banana that has been cut into pieces, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 3/4 cup of milk. You are also going to need a blender. This recipe is for one person, is 1 serving. Okay, so the first thing you are going to put inside is the strawberries. You're going to mix the strawberries first. So after you've got your strawberries blended, add in the bananas and also add in the sugar. You do not have to put 2 tablespoons of sugar. It's okay. Just put as much as you think you need. But in this recipe, I put 2 tablespoons. So now I'm going to blend again. So now the last ingredient, I'm going to put in the milk. Enjoyed making a strawberry banana milkshake with me. Bon appetit! Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and share this video with your friends and family.